If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee 80th Edition in bright white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN SYSTEM, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7129.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.